I'm Mitch with Compass Tools, and we're going to talk about photos in TerraSync. All of the current Trimble mapping and GIS devices have a camera built in, and TerraSync is a great software to manage the photos taken with that camera. So it can be as easy as tap this button, snap a photo, and TerraSync will handle it from there. But step one is to build in a photo attribute into your TerraSync data dictionary. So for that, we'll need a computer with Pathfinder Office installed on it. If you've already got a data dictionary, you can simply copy it off the device. If your device is connected, you can browse the contents and it will be stored in the My Documents and TerraSync folder. My Documents and TerraSync. It will be stored in that folder, and you can simply copy it off and edit it. But let's pretend we didn't have a data dictionary built yet. We would fire up GPS Pathfinder Office, select the project that we're working in, then we will click Utilities and Data Dictionary Editor. We will create a new feature really quickly, call it a hydrant. We'll give it a pretty fire hydrant symbol, make it red. Okay. Then we'll say new attribute. So your fire hydrant manufacturers, those go in drop down menus. Numbers for serial numbers and text for notes about the fire hydrant. But when you're ready to take a photo of the fire hydrant, that's what the file name is for. And the name of it doesn't actually matter. I call it photo or pic or picture. So it's that easy. So now when you have this dictionary on the handheld, there'll be a little camera symbol and you can take a picture inside of TerraSync, and TerraSync will manage the photo from there. Let me show you one other thing. I'll close this brand new dictionary. Of course, you'd want to save and data transfer that one over. I'm going to open a data dictionary with a few more items in it, and I've already created a photo attribute. You can make this for one feature and then just copy it, click on another feature, right click and paste it. So very quick and easy to add photos to your workflow. And one other thing, if you have TerraSync version, or I'm sorry, Pathfinder Office version 5.7, you can actually rename the photo based on a field. So like if you had a fire hydrant and it had a particular ID, it would name the photo by the ID, and include date and time is a good idea. That way, if you have two devices collecting photos, that should reduce the possibility that the two photos will overwrite each other. So after you've pasted the photo to all things that it makes sense to take a photo of, you will double click the feature, go to default settings, and you can pick an image name basis or include date and time, and this should reduce the possibility of an overwrite. So we'll OK out of there, save the changes, close the data dictionary, and then use utilities and data transfer. I've got a Trimble device connected. Make sure I'm connected to a GIS data logger on Windows Mobile, and click Send, Add Data Dictionary. Grab the good one, transfer all, and that is it. From there, TerraSync will manage the photos. We can jump over to the handheld really quickly and create a new file with our new data dictionary. Say create. collect a point really quickly, say create, log a location real quick. Okay, it's marking me. Then I can fire up the camera by tapping on the camera button, and then you will use the physical button on the Trimble device to actually capture the photo. Then you get a little thumbnail of the photo. You got some coordinates, so you're done. Then I'll close this file, transfer it back to the desktop, and just show you that TerraSync does take care of the photo for you. So I'm going to data transfer my photo back to this computer. There goes the data. Here comes the picture. Close, close, open it up. Open the file. Click on the feature. And you can see the photo. There's a reference to it here. You can double click and say open. There's a nice photo of your fire hydrant. And also, when you export to shapefile or a few other formats, the hyperlink to the photo is maintained. So I'll pick a sample ASRI shapefile and just show you what it looks like in ArcGIS. So I've got my map here. I will add my hydrant real quick. There it is. And just wanted to zoom in and show you that when you identify this hydrant, that the photo's there and it's hyperlinked. Pretty slick. So if you'll make a photo attribute in TerraSync, it will manage the photo from there. One slight problem to be aware of is I data transferred straight to my document. So if I were to share this shapefile with a coworker, they would not be able to get to the photo on my document. So a better idea would be to data transfer to a network location that you and your coworker can get to, or perhaps turn this hyperlink into an attachment using an ArcGIS tool. That's it for this recording. Thank you for watching. Any questions, email them to support@compasstoolsinc.com, and for more information please visit compasstools.com.